Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I found scraps from old jeans. We must give them a second life. I also have such unnecessary scraps of fabric. Let's start. I tack the support fabric into the loop. We outline our product. Now we need to add insulation. This is non-walking but a decorative side, so I put a lush synthetic insulation. I cut off excess to the sewing line. Now we make a patchwork blank. I start with a linen element. Now I'll add a flower. The next piece of natural linen fabric. And finally, a denim patch. Be sure to leave the original seam. Permanent heading on my channel. Wanted cat. The preparation is ready. Let's add some design. A stitch and inscriptions, decorative lines and drawing. Then I fix everything around the perimeter. Now we must cut off everything superfluous from the workpiece. We prepare everything you need. First, preparation of the working side of our oven glove. This part will be from the back of the jeans I cut out. Second, I need insulation on the working side of the product. I will make 2 layers of terry cloth. Third, I'm making the lining. 2 details. Fourth, tape loop 15 centimeters. The most important, it is necessary to sew up the pocket and belt loops so that they do not catch on everything. Collecting product. 2 layers of terry cloth, round piece right side up, front piece face down. I sew along the line that the sewing machine outlined for us. I do the second line. I cut the terry cloth to the line. On all roundness, I cut out an extra seam allowances. I made incisions in the area of the thumb. I turn the product. I attach a loop of ribbon with a pin. I sew 2 lining pieces. I remove the excess from the seam allowances. I put the line in the main product. I fasten with pins. And I sew the lining to the main part. That's how quickly we made oven gloves. I made the second one too. Full set is ready. The description contains link to the shop with handicraft. By buying in these stores, you are giving job to Turkish women. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. All the best for your sewing. Bye bye.